Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove a wheel stud. So these are for the ones that have a lot of clearance, okay? So what you're going to do is get a hammer and hit it right here, okay? So what you're going to do is hit a hammer with the studs. That's one. Hit it right here. And I'll also show you how to install wheel studs as well. To install, you're going to need 4 tools. Your impact with the right socket, wheel stud, special tool, and the lug nut. So what you're going to do, you're going to line it up. So it's right there is pretty good. You're going to get a special tool, goes in here, and then your stud. So I didn't want to use this lug because it doesn't give you much clearance to impact it, so I'm going to switch it out. So now that you have it snug and is properly aligned, remember it has to go in straight, you can go ahead and impact it. Okay, once it's in like that, it's flush. This is still going to be hard because it's still impacted. You can just take it off and go on to the next one. There you go. I know my studs go in the correct way because there's little splines in them. You can see it right there. That way you know where the new ones go. Now that I have 2 hands, I will show you. Put the stud in, make sure it's straight. Tool, special tool, now the lug. Once you know it's snug, go ahead and impact it and do the rest. Hub. You can do the same with all the other ones. Hope it helped.